Welcome, Sudoku friends. Um, on this evening, we have here an additional with extra puzzles of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 14th, 2023. Seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, aka tectonic, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them, and one of them I will start is the 3 stars Sudoku number 7095. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The 3 stars Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes, but it has always 25 printed digits. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. We will see if this is 3 stars or 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 1. We have 3 and a 1 in this column, so no 3 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. Can do this the same here. Yeah. No. 7. Here then. 5. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have 7 in this row. No 7 in this box. Here 7 in this column. No 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, now, 5, 5. How about the 2 in this column, the 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there, 2, 2, okay. How about 8? Nope, need the 8 here. How about the 4? 4, nope. The 4 should be there. Then 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Need 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, no. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, 5, 5, 2. 7. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a... Come on. This is taking too long. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. But the 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Come on. 9, 9, 8. And the 3 then. 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. 2, 2. I'm thinking 5, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this row. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left and 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column. No need to place left and 5 should be here. Or there. We see 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there we see 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see 5 in this row, no 5 there, here 5 in the second row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8. Let me mark those. 4 and 8. So the 2, the 3, 2, 3, and 6. Right, 8, 8, 8. Need a 4 here. Come on. Need a 9 here. Yeah. 9. Need a 9. Yeah, 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. A 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. That means we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. Here also 8 in one of those 2 boxes. So the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers in 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 4 and 8. We have 8 now. In this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4. In the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Alright. 6. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and 6. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Oh! We have a 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Almost made a mistake. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 2 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these. A 3 box, so 1 box left for the 2, should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between and the middle column, the only place left for the 2, should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1, 4. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 in this column. So no 1 and 7 in this box. So 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column 3, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. Second row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for 2 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. Finish exactly in 12 minutes. We solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.